What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well today. As for myself, man, I am annoyed. I'm bent out of shape. I'm boiling. I'm fit to be tied. I'm offended. I'm raging. And I'm just pissed off, y'all. Pissed off. Woke up this morning, first of all, after finding out that I left a trade in the system that went against me and got me for quite a bit of money. And then I go and I check my email and I find an email from PROFITRADE stating that my payout had been refused and my account had been deactivated. You want to talk about pissed off? Like, what? This is my third payout request. How y'all gonna refuse this one? But they did. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna bring up the email that they received. And I hate to make this video, y'all. Let me put that out there right now. I hate to make this video. I contemplated not making this video, but I show the good, the bad, and the indifferent. And I would do my YouTube viewers a disservice if I didn't make this video. So same thing PROFITRADE said, in full transparency, I'm making this one in full transparency. So here's the letter that they emailed me today. It says, account deactivation due to high frequency trading violation. What in the hell? I take all of my trades and I take them through Volumetrics platform. So how would I be high frequency trading through their platform? But we'll take it a step further and let's go ahead. Let us read the what this says. And let me move my camera out the way. Says, Dear Levante, we hope this message finds you well. You already know what y'all about to tell me is not going to find me well. Following a detailed investigation into your account, blah, 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 we have detected trading activity that violates our policy on high frequency trading. Specifically, our system flagged activity consistent with the use of bots, algorithms, or other automated methods allowing ultra rapid entries on the same position at the same or at the exact second, which is not humanly possible. This rule clearly stated in the contract you agreed to when activating your PA account. Such practices undermine the integrity of our platform and contravene the principles of fair trading that PROFITRADE enforces. Regrettably, as a result, we must deactivate your account effective immediately. This decision also includes the rejection of any pending payouts requests tied to this account. To provide transparency, we have attached screenshots of the trades that led to this decision as evidence of the violation. We deeply regret the need to take such action, but are committed to upholding a fair and equitable trading environment for all users. We encourage you to review and adhere to our rules to avoid similar situations in the future should you choose to continue trading. If you have any questions or require further clarification, heck yeah, I do, please do not hesitate to contact them, which I did. Now, these are the trades that they say I took. They say I took these trades on 11/12/24 at 12:30 a.m. And they say that I exited the trades on November 12th, 2024 at 12:34. So basically almost 4 minutes later, they say I entered these trades at 21 21,216.975. I exited at 21,213, and they said that I was in 5 MNQs on each of these entries. First of all, don't ever remember going in lot sizes of 5. I usually will scale in lot sizes of 1. So that was my first thing, like, it's a little suspect. And then that shows what I made off each trade. They canceled this account so that I can't go back in and physically look at the entry. So I got to take their word for it. So what I did, I went on Thinkorswim's charts, and it didn't look right. I'm like, nah, it don't look right. Price is nowhere near. So then I went back and I looked at PROFITRADE's charts. So this is PROFITRADE's charts during that same time. 11:12, that's the date in question. 12:30, that's the time in question. This is the candle range for the 15-minute time. This is the 5-minute chart. In their email, it states that I got into the trade at 21,216.975. That would mean that I entered the trade way up here. And they state that I exited the trade 4 minutes later at 21,213. So I would have exited up here. How is that possible? How is that possible? If your PROFITRADE's trade log shows that date, that time, it has to correlate on the chart to that date, that time. How am I entering at 216? And I mark it into all of my trades. So I replied back. This was my reply back. Good day. I'm highly disappointed that this payout has been refused and my account has been closed. At no time have I traded in a way that would violate any of the rules that PROFITRADE has in place. Can you please explain how that trade was flagged as a high frequency trade? Based on the trade information that you have provided, when I go back and I look at the charts for the time frame, price was not even at that price. So how would that order had even been filled there, considering I mark it into all my positions? Attached is a screenshot of the 5-minute chart with that area highlighted. I am disappointed this refusal and would please like further proof that this trade even occurred, as I am not able to even look at the trades because the account has been closed and removed from the dashboard. I have recommended several people to your platform on my social media platforms, and I am an affiliate, and for this to occur leaves a very bad feeling for me regarding your company. I would appreciate a prompt reply. Regards, Levante. And I basically just attached that same image that I just showed. Yeah, y'all, this right here got me a little confused because I'm like, I trade the same way in all of my trades. When y'all go and y'all look and I show trade logs, you see me where I'm entering in and scaling in. So I'm not sure how. And first of all, so they're saying that, and again, this is crazy, and I can't go back because I can't go back in there and look. Look at this. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 6 lots of 5, and they all got entered in just boom, 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 boom. No, 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 no. So I'm going to be waiting for their reply back to see if they reply back and what the reply will be. Because again, like I said, they closed the account. They removed it from the dashboard. So I cannot go in and see if these were even trades that I took. Give me 1 sec. I'm going to open up the Discord and show you what it looked like on my Thinkorswim charts, because I took a screenshot and posted it there. Give me 1 sec. All right, got Discord pulled up. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna blow up. This here is I don't know why I put that camera there. Hold on. Let me move that out of the way if I can grab it. There we go. This here is a screenshot of that same time. If you go up there and look, 11:22, 12:30. I have that candle there highlighted. That's the candle in question on the 1 minute chart now. So now we're looking at this on a 1 minute chart. They are saying that at that time, I entered the trade up here and I exited it 4 minutes later, right there. 11/12, November 12th. So first of all, when I looked at this chart, I was like, my trading style, why would I be going short just randomly in this candle? If anything, it would have been right here. But we're not questioning the trade like that. Why would I just hammer? And that's hammered in. That is hammered in. That's in 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's in 40 MNQs. So basically 4 NQs at just a random spot. No. Y'all gonna have to, and then all at one time. I'd never do that. Like, so they're saying that my finger was rapid fast and that I took all of these entries at the same exact spot. No, I would have averaged in. I would not have just went into 40 freaking MNQs at one spot. So yeah. We're going to see if, PROFITRADE comes back and replies to my email, because I cannot promote PROFITRADE any longer until I get some clarification. And I'm actually still waiting on another payout for like the affiliate payout that's been out 2 weeks now. I submitted this exactly 14 days ago and I'm still waiting on it to be approved. So I have seen some people in my Discord that said that they've received payouts. Hang out over at Sparks Discord, he has some people in his group that said that they've received their payouts. Also in down in the comments in YouTube, some of my viewers have received their payouts, but this right here is a little sketchy to me, because I know how I trade. And first and foremost, that trade, I would need to see a full screenshot showing my account number and the full log of all of the trades that were taken that day. The other thing that I did was I scrolled all the way up in the Discord to that date. And the first post that I made was at 11:30 a.m. And it stated that I had just took a good trade. I made $400 and I showed a screenshot of the P&L for the day and I was up $427. How could I only be up $427 when I had just taken a trade that made me $400, but I would have made $330 something on that particular trade at 12:30 a.m. That would have put me up like $700 on the day. So, again, I'm not sure if PROFITRADE is going to reply back to my email, but I will definitely keep y'all abreast. They did not cancel the other account that I'm trading. I still need to trade that 2 to 3 days. I'm gonna probably hold off on posting any more videos trading that account. But I hope next week to be able to submit another payout for that one, and we'll see what they do with that one. But right now, I can't support and promote PROFITRADE based on this, based on me. Don't let that affect how y'all trade. As always, thanks for checking me out. If you hadn't hit the like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments, y'all. Peace.